Hey guys, my name is Mousree and today we will learn how to make a school birthday card in Scratch 3. Okay guys, this is my birthday is coming, so I make this cool birthday card. So will after 1 minute 1 second it will also the sound will be forever. Now what you have to do, we have to click in here of the sound sprites. I'm just clicking here in the girl. Happy birthday. Oh look, the ballerina is dancing, the girl is dancing. Let's click on a cat. It says also happy birthday. Oh, it's hide. Oh, show. I think that the cat is playing with me. Like hide and seek, hide and seek. Let's click on a cake. Right? What? So cute. Let's click on this one gift. Red. Wow, it's lighting. Let's click on this medium one. What's your name? So cute. And let's click on the big one. Wow, it's big, small, big, big, small, big, small. Let's some small, like if I click any name here, like I'm just doing name yeah, no problem, any name, it will say happy birthday to with it will join happy birthday. Okay, so let's make first play it again. Okay, I'm just small it. So cute. Let's make. So I need only how many sprites I need? I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sprites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go to the cat first. This is the 2 scripts of the cat and this is the code. Let's go to the gift 1. Gift 1 means this. So means the small one. Okay, this one. Okay. Small one. So yeah, let's go to the gift 2. This is some big, so I changed the size by 100 to 120. And yeah, what is your name? Wait, say join happy birthday to the answer. And don't forget to give a dash. I give a dash here. Okay, look, a dash. Otherwise it would happen then happy birthday and then you say the answer, then happy birthday Mousree. Like let's make it like so. I will tell it later. First go to the gift 3. And in gift 3 I used 135 size and silicone. Let's go to the ballerina, means the girl. And yeah, you can, if you want to use the next costume, wait 1 second and next costume, but I don't want that this costume. Okay, I don't want this costumes when I click this. Only these and these. Okay, not this. So for that I just let's go to the cake. And yeah, cake. So I don't bleed. Okay, you can also bleed by the way, but I'm just next costume and just you can not use also the next costume, but I'm just using the next costume. Okay guys. So guys, this was today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Yeah, and happy birthday to me. But today is not my birthday. Alright, today